Sight word our or other out. I can read the sight word or. Is that a cat or dog? Did he come by bus or by train? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you like pizza or ice cream? I can read the sight word hour. Our. Our family is big. Our house is big. This is our school. That is our school bus. I can read the sight word other. 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 Where is your other dog? Where is the other book? Where are the other shoes? What is the other gift? I can read the sight word out. Out. We are going out. Let's go out. I got out of bed. I will go out. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel.